Hi guys, today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to put a customized ringtone. First, you gotta go on YouTube and search up ringtone and pick which ringtone you want. Now, go to Safari and search audioextractor.net. It will show you this. Click on open video and click on photo library and put the video that you want for the sound. But before you do that, I forgot to mention one thing in YouTube. You have to screen record the video that you want. If you do not know how to screen record, here, let me show you. First, you swipe down here, hold, and then click on add control, and you see the screen recording right there. Click on it and you will have the same thing as I. So after that, when you complete the video, you just just do the same and click on the record button and go to your camera roll and see if it's there. If it is, then perfect. And now you can go to Google or Safari and search up audioextractor.net. Click on open video and photo library and iPhone ringtone. Then when your video starts downloading, you just gotta wait a few seconds, and after that you click on extract audio. There's something here will pop up saying download. You click on it and there's another message that says download. You click on download. Then you go to GarageBand. If you do not have it, install it. So you click on audio recorder, then click on the wall that looks like a brick. So now, click on the swirly thing on top and click on Files and click on Browse Items from the Files app. It should be the first one. And you drag it over here. So that's my ringtone. You click on that folder, wait for it to save, and then hold it. Click on share. There should be something popping up that says ringtone. Click on that, and after that you go to settings and go to sounds and put on ringtone. And this one should be the ringtone. The first one should be the ringtone. And then when somebody calls you, that's what it will sound like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.